In today's video, I am going to teach you how to buy an iPhone on Amazon. First, open the Amazon website in your browser, or launch the Amazon app on your phone or tablet. Next, use the search bar to look for the iPhone model you want. You can search by model and type, such as iPhone 15, iPhone 14 unlocked, or iPhone 13 renewed. Amazon will show a mix of listings, and this is where it is important to slow down and review the options carefully. You may see brand new phones, refurbished devices, unlocked models, and phones that are tied to a specific carrier. Now focus on filtering carefully, because this is one of the most important parts of the process. Try to choose listings that are sold by Amazon, the Apple Store on Amazon, or Amazon Renewed if you are considering a certified refurbished device. Be cautious with unknown third-party sellers, especially if they have very few reviews or poor ratings. Also avoid listings that seem unusually cheap, because those can sometimes lead to risky or disappointing purchases. Before you buy, open the product page and check all the important details. Confirm the storage size, such as 128GB or 256GB, so you get enough space for your needs. Look at the condition and make sure it says new, renewed, or used, depending on what you want. Check whether there is a warranty included, such as an Apple warranty or an Amazon Renewed warranty. Also make sure the phone is listed as unlocked if you want the flexibility to use it with different carriers. Once you have found the right option, click Buy Now or add the item to your cart. Then proceed to checkout. At checkout, confirm that your shipping address is correct. Choose your payment method and review the full order summary one last time. This quick review helps you catch any mistakes before the purchase is final. When everything looks correct, place the order and wait for delivery. As a final reminder, it is best to buy from the Apple Store on Amazon or Amazon Renewed when possible. Always check seller ratings and customer reviews. Make sure there is a return policy and stay away from unusually cheap new iPhones sold by random sellers. That covers everything you need to know.